Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to connect pendrive to your smartphone. In the beginning, make sure that your pendrive has a USB-C stick. Then simply plug it to charging port in your smartphone. Now tap Explore, and now you can check internal storage of your pendrive. You can also enter your pendrive internal storage by going to Files and entering it from this position. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.